So, very good evening, guys. We're down to the last closed book of the November 2024 and one of the real scoring papers. So, let's quickly check out one shortcut to remember few things. You can follow this for other numericals as well, and further things will be shared in the WhatsApp and the Telegram groups. You can make use of it. So, let's quickly check it out what exactly it is. So Section 113 of CGST Act, cases where prosecution can be initiated and punishment thereof. So these are various cases. So supply without invoice or issuance of invoice without supply and wrongful or fraudulent availment of ITC and tax collected but not paid beyond 3 months, and tax evasion or fraudulent refund and dealing in goods liable confiscation and attempts to commit or abets any offense mentioned above. So what is the shortcut that we're going to learn in this is, so for example, if the amount involved exceeds rupees 5 crores, then how many years the numerator how many years imprisonment can be imposed is the question you might get. So how to remember, how to ensure you don't forget this simple. If it exceeds 5 crores, so 5 is the numerical, so it is 5 years. And what if the amount involved is that is, say, the issuance of invoice without supply is 3.5 or 4 crores, that is it is in between 2 to 5 crores. How can I remember that? Very simple, guys. Just do the difference between 5 minus 2, that is 3. So the imprisonment can be imposed as 3 years. And do the same for 1 to 2 crores as well. The difference between 2 minus 1 is 1 and 1 year. If you remember like this, there is no need to scratch your head and slog out on the exam day morning. You will not forget these things. And next thing is section 138. It's a straightforward provision, but I frequently asked, so just want to tell you a lot of chances for MCQ this time as well. So minimum amount of penalty that can be imposed is 20% tax involved. The maximum is 100% of the tax involved. So moving on to the next, the last thing is, I asked this question in the group as well, and many opted for the wrong answer. So I thought I'll tell the shortcut for this as well. So this, the disposal of confiscated goods. What is the maximum duration of which the goods should be disposed? The maximum duration that can be given beyond which the proper officer, that is, the question is, the proper officer shall wait for the payment by the relevant taxable person to pay his fine within maximum period not exceeding, whether it's 6 months or 3 months or 45 days or 30 days. Sir, I don't like this provision, I'm not able to recall it. You don't have to remember anything. Go to the section number, see the section number, it is 130. So the highlighted number is 3. So the maximum duration not exceeding 3 months. That's it. So if the person who has committed the default has not paid the confiscation payment, the fee due within 3 months, then the proper officer can proceed to dispose the goods as per section 130. Hope you found this discussion very useful. Prepare like this. If you do this by tomorrow 2:30 to 3 p.m, you'll be able to wrap it up and you'll be able to start your second round of revision. So in the group on I and integrated business studies will take care of itself. So keep this things in mind. All the very best and keep going.